scarf. So here's all you'll need. You'll literally just need some wool. I'm only going to be using this one, but you can do any colour you would like. Some knitting sticks, it can be any size, but if you get the big chunkier ones, then you might want to get chunkier wool, and you'll need some scissors. So further ado, let's get right in. So I'm going to be starting by making a pink sparkly scarf. So what I'm going to want to do is find the end wherever it may be, because I'm really bad at doing this. Okay, so I have it now. You're going to want to take one of your knitting sticks and you're going to start by tying a knot around it. Don't want to make it too tight, and you're going to take this that goes round and tie another knot. And I'm doing this, I'm going to make, I think, maybe 12 or 6, maybe 8 of these knots, because this will be the width of your scarf. So I have made 6, but it really doesn't look like much for a width of a scarf, so I'm going to make 2 more, or maybe 3, so I've got 9. Because this scarf isn't going to be for me, it's going to be for my favourite cuddly toy, Heffy, because I think it's about time she gets a new scarf. Okay, last one now. So when that's done, you're going to want to take a knot. You're going to want to knot the last one down twice. And now that's done, you can chop off this end part. I know it's quite a lot that we've practically wasted, but that's okay, because we'll be needing that part here on the last bit. What you're going to do now is take your knitting sticks, and through here you're going to do it. You're going to want to thread it through the first one. So this part here is going to go onto the inside there, and this needle here is going to go through it like this. And the other one, now that you've just knotted it through, you get rid of it because we don't need it anymore, and you tighten it really tight. And now you keep on doing that onto the rest of it now. And this is the simple stitch. When you get to the end, you're just going to want to do it the same, but swap over knitting sticks. That's literally all you do, you just swap it over, so then it'll be on the next part now. So once you've done all of the knitting on the side part here, and it's to the length that you want, I'm going to show you how you would cast it off. So you would knit one part, how you did for the rest of it, only one, and you basically let it sort of share. This one goes here, and this bottom part there goes over the top. Pull it down, and you keep on doing it for the rest of it now. Once it's like pretty casted off now, what I like to do is get some scissors, and cut a bit off and thread it through the end part. So let's go and get some scissors now. So I'm back with my scissors, so I'm going to cut this much off, and this is the rest from the thing now. And basically, to make sure it all stays in nice and tight, spread this part here through the loop thing. So I'm going to make it a bit bigger. Pull it, and you're going to just want to tie basic knot with this. And then you're just going to want to cut it off. And there we go, our scarf is done. So when you're all done, what you're going to want to do, see, this is for a cuddly toy. You're going to take your scarf, wrap it around their neck, because this is heavy, tie it up. And Heffy has a new scarf, a New Year's scarf. And it's nice and sparkly because I chose this wool. So there we go. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Please like and subscribe. Also click the notification button so you can be notified when my latest videos come out. Thanks!